I'm R.A. Maiten,
And I'm R.A. Josh.
and we're going to show you how to plunge a toilet today.
We're here at a residence hall that has a clogged toilet. This may happen to you, so what do you need? Well, first, you need to have a plunger. Every residence hall should come equipped with a plunger, and if not, then contact your RA. So how a plunger works is that it creates a suction and then pushes water through the pipes, which unclogs the toilet. Right now, we have a clogged toilet, but there's not enough water to be pushed through. So what we'll have to do is fill it up with some water. Ways we can do this are filling up a bowl and pouring water into the toilet. So now that we filled it up with water, let's go ahead and use the plunger. What we're going to do is gently stick the plunger covering the surface, and then once it's covering the surface, we're going to stand over it for leverage and just pump it about 12 times down, not lifting up the plunger, however. Now that we've plunged it about 12 times, we want to go ahead and take the plunger out of the toilet and flush the toilet. And if it's still clogged, then go ahead and repeat that plunging step again, and then keep flushing it about 2 to 3 times.
You learned how to plunge a toilet!
Woo! Stay tuned for more tutorials to come.